people know that we're selling candy apples.
In fact, this is what my subscriber Ebony Painter asked. DIY Queen Diva, your recipe and doing them where I know I can keep them cold did the trick. Can you do a video on where you can sell them if you are not known yet for selling treats? Now, this is what Ebony asked.
How do you let someone know you're selling candy apples? I'm in the #1 hot spot.
I did this video because I wanted to relate, okay? I wanted to show you what I tell you is what I do. I don't just walk the walk, I walk the talk. So right now I'm standing in front of public housing. You have a lot of parents with children. You have parents that have to plan birthday parties every year. You have parents that have to plan events every year. You need to make this your target market. You can hear the kids in the background. So target parents with children in apartments. It doesn't have to be the hood. It's just that I grew up right here. This apartment right behind me, I grew up. Yes, I grew up in the projects, so what? This is why I'm a certified bona fide hustler. And this is why I am the successful professional that I am today. With that being said, every parent wants their child to have a fabulous birthday party.
Now, what you can do for you guys to say that you're having a hard time selling candy apples, what you can do is go to apartments, get the numbers off the mailboxes, and start sending flyers to each one. You can do it the old-fashioned way and pound the sidewalks and put flyers in the doors. But I'm not going to do that, especially with my cowboy boots on. What I'll do is write down the numbers and send everybody a flyer about my business selling candy apples. And that's what you can do also.
Just like those gender reveal candy apples, make your candy apples cute and you can have those apartment communities on lock.
Girl, is it a boy or is it a girl?
Some girls. Okay, go ahead. That way or
So again, it doesn't have to be the hood. It can be in the apartments. It's just that I grew up on the south side. So up on the corner is a park. Anytime you have apartments, you have a park.
Set up at any park, and I'm going to show you how. So what you do, you can set up right here and sell your candy apples. You can put your table right here and set up. And this be the #1 hot spot. You need an area where it's high traffic. Up and down, you got traffic up and down. Park. Any park you have is a good hot spot. So whenever you have a park, you can just set up. So you can just set up inside of a park and set your table and do what you need to do and hustle.
So the #1 spot is any apartments with a park.
And get your hustle on.
I must come back and serve my community because as I was leaving, this little girl asked me, what was I recording about? She wanted to know. That tickled me.
I'm doing the project. I'm doing the project. I'm doing the project. I used to live over here.
There are so many ways. This was just one way, and I hope I have helped someone. Have a great weekend.